by two arms from the edge of a building, but it won't be too long before I make some friends with the birds up there, up there. Midday sun above my head sparkles on the sidewalk, and the people down below, they're looking like the worker ants that they are. They are. Feet tapping rhythm, swinging arms and legs, men and the women going someplace. I am hanging by two arms from the edge of a building, but it won't be too long before I make some friends with the birds up there.